Project code ITPYIP10. Project title Rice Leaf Disease Classification using Deep Learning Technique and Deployment using Web Framework. Abstract Rice Leaf Disease. Rice is such an important food in some countries that to eat rice, nearly half of the people in the world get approximately 50% of their calories from rice. So our model, we can take we take a rice disease leaf dataset and then train deep learning model. After training deep learning model, we save HDF file. Then that file we deploy the Django framework. Here we use the Django framework database, inbuilt database, SQLite 3 database. So we get classifying here rice leaf disease. Existing concept. They are using co-occurrence method, symmetric co-occurrence method. So local symmetric pattern to distinguish subtle difference among cultivators. Similarity match. Therefore, the similarity match encoding in the similarity matches. Existing drawback. They are not using ML and deep learning technique. They are not using CNN, convolution neural network and accuracy also. They are not deploying any ML or DL model. Proposed concept. Our project, we take rice leaf disease dataset, then data pre-processing method, then after pre-processing we build CNN model, neural network, CNN neural network. After build, we train this data to deep learning model. Deep learning model means CNN, deep CNN. We train that data for CNN. We create after training, we create deep learning model. After training model, we save HDF5 hierarchical data format 5 model type file type. Then that file we deploy the Django framework. Here Django SQLite 3. The Django framework we use HTML CSS also for front side input the image. I get the output result here. Classifying the disease. Proposing advantages. To identify the rice leaf disease, to improve agriculture, This is the best deep learning model for rice leaf disease classification. Existing algorithm. They are using a symmetry co-occurrence matrix. Existing algorithms. Proposed technique algorithm. Here, our project we using DCNN, Deep Convolution Neural Network, and deployment using the Django framework. And here we using frameworks TensorFlow and Keras and the Django Python frameworks and database using SQL3 architecture. So we take data set here, then we use feature engineering. After feature engineering, we train deep learning model with CNN and classifying the results and get accuracy, best accuracy. So after training the deep learning model, we saved the HDF5 format, hierarchical data format 5 model, and deploy the Django framework. And after the final the web framework, the Django web framework, we get output. Upload the test image. You upload the test image, you get the result, classifying the result. Application used real time. Early and accurate diagnosis of plant disease is the vital step in the crop protection system. Then the deployment, once the rice leaf disease is the train it, we can move on loading the rice leaf disease classification deployments. Future elements. To deploy the real-time process, we can use web application or future enhancement. We can use web application, desktop application, and mobile application. So future enhancement. And to this is the AI model for deploy the all types of environments. Software technology. Here using Anaconda with Jupyter Notebook, then DB browser, viewing SQLite databases. Why using this software? Jupyter is a free open source interactive web tool known as the computational notebook. Jupyter Notebooks is the main and user interactive. Minimum hardware requirements: processor Pentium 4 and then RAM 4 GB RAM and 15-inch color display and hard disk 40 GB. Thank you.